Hello, Rayne. How you doing? All right. Thank you so much for including your work in progress. Let's go ahead and take a look. I got your stamps up right here. Okay, now there's a couple of things I want to mention. I think that you're off to a really good start. I think that the most apparent thing is that we really have to start developing detail in terms of highlight and shadow areas, and really want to get a good depiction of the facial characteristics by establishing good, solid, hard line for the facial characteristics, the shapes of the face, the shapes of the neck, the shapes of the upper body, etc. I think that you're really off to a good start. Good job developing the highlights in the eyes over here. As we can see, there are some areas. I think this is really well developed, where this is just you really can't really compare because of the fact that this is just depicting eyes with dots, where this actually has spectral highlights, pupils, etc. So we really wanted to develop a good degree of detail in these. Now, one of the things I think I recognize, I think I see as something that could really improve the work is your use of the pen tool. Right now, you've got a lot of corner points where you should have rounded points. Right there, that should be rounded, right? There's some other areas too, like that area at the tie right there. There's no reason that shouldn't be rounded, right? So really want to work on your pen tool techniques, specifically rounding out those points instead of stopping and abruptly changing direction, as we see here, here. Okay, here's a corner point. These should all be rounded, and that points to use of the Bezier the Bezier capabilities within the pen tool in Illustrator. You can see the same thing here, where these should all be very smooth, organic lines, whereas they're right now they're depicted as kind of these corner points. We really want to address those. Um, I think it's really just a fantastic start, though. So really, definitely looking forward to seeing seeing this come to completion. Now, Rayne, keep in mind we only really have one more checkpoint before final submission. So if there's anything you want to run by me between now and then, please do so, and I'll be glad to make any further recommendations. But again, we only have Wednesday and then Wednesday's critique. So please, I'm here. I'll be doing double time this week. So if there's anything you want to run by me, please let me know, and I'll be glad to provide good, ample, robust feedback. All right, good start. And again, just the name of the game at this point is detail. Don't forget to go over to the if you take a look, just go back to announcement of the week 3 announcement, and you'll see I've got a bunch of tutorials I've added in there regarding shadow and highlight, the development of shadow and highlight, and how you can apply that to the facial characteristics of the portrait. All right, very good. If again, really super important. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you very much.